So time now to make connections to our own project in Firebase. So if I go to Firebase here, and you can see I'm back in with my temp readings, 23rd, 2nd, 22 here, but all my readings are here waiting for me. And in fact, I'm wondering, do I have the micro:bit going in the background there? Did I press play? I didn't. I could have it going there, but I don't at the moment. I might get it going in a moment. So what we want to do now is start off by creating connection to our particular project. So to do that, I go here to project settings, and when I'm in project settings, I move down the page to this particular area here where there's no apps in your project. So you've got different things for different platforms. The one that we want to use is the web app. So to use the web app here, and I'm just going to give the name here, display, be careful of names here, underscore live temps, and I call it something like that. Just go register app. And because there's been some configuration changes in times gone by, I'm just going to go continue to the console, and then I'm going to show you how to come back to this. So continue to the console, so you're back here again. Just navigate down the page again. I'm using my scroll bar here to navigate down the page. And this time, so the only two options we had before was the NPN and the CDN, I think. We're going to go to config. And once we've got config, we're going to press and copy that bit of code here, which is going to allow us to have all the connections to our particular project in Firebase. Go back to our replit, go to our JavaScript page, and copy and paste that back in there. And you have now made connections to your particular project in Firebase. Now there's also one other line that's important that needs to be included here, is a line to initialize Firebase. So I'm just going to throw that in here now and then close off this video for the next one. So initialize Firebase. And to initialize Firebase, you're just going to use the Firebase package, and we're going to say initialize, in an American speak, it's Z, initialize app, and in here, we're just going to say Firebase config. And that should hopefully be that. So see you in the next video, where we now work with our get data function we created for the button to do something.